Hello everyone. Today too is another day for us. Today I'm going to help you or assist you on how you can use your phone to create a passport picture, of which maybe you don't want to travel out and then go and take it. You can easily do that with your phone. Probably if you want to fill a form and then it is demanding you to take or upload a passport picture, you can easily use your phone to do that with less difficulty. Please, I want you to like the channel and then subscribe to it for more videos. Let's check it out. So for us to begin, on our Chrome browser, we click on the browser itself. Then we type in Cut Pro or Cutout Pro Passport Photo Maker. So you see this. When you are done, you click on Enter. So immediately after that, you will see this particular interface popping up. Select this. Now when you are done, you click on it. You see that an interface has opened again. This particular page, someone would ask, what then do we do? You click on Upload Image. Yeah, you see that it has opened my gallery. So I am going to select this particular image of mine. You see it. I will then click on it, then press done. Let's wait and see what will happen. Yeah, the system has uploaded my image. So maybe I don't want the shirt that I'm wearing. I want to change it. What you will do is you come to this particular icon. You click on it. Then it will show up a lot of costume for you to select one from it. So maybe I want a suit. Let's select this one. So you click on it. It is now loading. Let's wait for some time. You could see that it has changed the attire that I was already wearing. Probably I don't want the suit. I want a shirt. Preferably this one. The same process. You just click on it. Let's wait for some time and see. Have you seen? It has changed the costume. So already the background is white. I prefer using a red background. What then do we do? I'll just come to this button. Click on it. Then select the color red. I hope you see that it has changed the white to red. Maybe I want the white background again. I'll just press on the white. Oh, the two colors, I don't need them. I need another color. Black. I'll just click on the black. There are a lot of colors here, so the one that you want, then you choose. Immediately after that, you click on Done. Have you seen it? So maybe probably want to download it onto your phone. What you will do is you click on Download. That's the Download HD button.